So guys, I'm discuss very important topic here about your option will be called Facebook option. Just open for my question I'm writing here. So how to upload your movie trailer in Facebook page without copyright strike? So people asking one question. So I can upload the movie trailers on the Facebook page. It is upload or not in a Facebook option. Facebook one of the future is there. So one movie trailer will be launching for YouTube. So we can searching for in this trailer by name here in this movie trailer if you access to the permission to the owners by using Facebook is the one option is there. Second option, if is a way we can promoting a page, just to have the site is there, but I don't have any permission to play that video for my particular page. So what is the purpose of you can play the video to engage my audience? So in this one, just we can use that an option is called the simple step. Guys, if anyone know about that, is only for new peoples who don't know about this option. We can use it option that is called page. We can go to option will be here, selecting for watch party option. In this watch party, if you have play this video in the particular option, no strike will be given in the particular permissions. Now just we can done here, just you can give the trailer option will be here. Just we can add your particular URL. So in this, I'm add the some content here. Give me the seconds. So here, just I'm writing in this option. We can go with here in this option. So what are the, we can add your hashtags, add here in the particular option. So here, just we can use this option will be here. Just this video, we can using watch part option. No strike will be given a particular video option. So here, just you can click for post option. Just watch party will be start fraction of second. So here, they're playing here. Just go back, leave this page. So here, the watch party will be going on your particular page. The video will be playing without strike option. No strike will be in the particular video. I can use the exist who will be play the my video in the other pages. Just I'm using watch party option to play the video on the particular Facebook. Nobody can strike this video on the particular page. If anybody click for in the strike option, we can use any videos like this on the Facebook page for the without strike purpose. Just search a name using watch party. The video is not available on the other pages. We can't add the watch party option in the particular Facebook page.